Hey guys. Alright, I like this truck stop. I'm loving this truck stop. Okay? What? We about to do something crazy. You see them two trucks back there? I'm finna back the truck up between them two trucks. Let's do it. This is good practice for people who are learning how to drive a truck. And who are in trucking school. This is some good shit right here. This is some good shit. See, you gotta keep looking over that one. Alright. Looking pretty good. Pretty good, Pepper. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, shit. Alright. Alright. Bam. See, I stopped. Look at how I got that. Look at how I got that. Ain't touching the truck or anything. Anything. What do I do now? I gotta pull up like a pimp. When I get close, but it's a lot of room on the other side though. So let's move this trailer a little bit over to that other side. Yeah, I'm a sexy guy. Look at that. Push it all the way back. Oh, yeah, get her done. Look at that. I'm a little closer to this one though. This back truck. Alright, now let's look. See? Look at how I'm kind of off a little bit, but it's a lot of room though. And I pushed it too far back, but that's cool though. So, ta-da!